Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him and with his father, said the Prophet ﷺ and his wives used to sleep night after night hungry. Yani they did not have any supper, no food. What can we do? And the vast majority of the bread they consumed was made of barley. And this is something that a lot of us may not find tasty. We are used to eating wheat. And barley is not something that people look to consume. However, barley, by the way, medically speaking, does wonders. Subhanallah. It is one of the best medication for depression. Not Prozac. You take barley and it has substances that would, bi'idhnillah, cure or at least reduce your depression. Mother Aisha says, at the time of the Prophet ﷺ, whenever a person died, we would go to the widow and to the family of the deceased, and we would prepare food, and we would put a talbina on it. Why? She says, because I heard the Prophet ﷺ saying that at-talbina is a cure to the heart of the ill, and it takes away sadness. Now this is the saying of the Prophet ﷺ, and by the way, this was reported by Bukhari and Muslim, which gives it yani AAA grading of authenticity. So we believe this as we believe the Quran. Talbina, Prophet says, ﷺ, it helps the heart of the sick and takes away the sadness, some of the sadness. What is talbina? It's a sort of soup, and it's done with 2 full spoons of grinded barley, whole, not selected, the whole thing, you just grind it, and then you add to them 1 glass of water, and it is cooked over moderate fire, not to be boiled, for 5 minutes. And after that, you add to it maybe a spoon of honey. Why is it called talbina? Because it looks like laban, like milk, because of its white and its softness. Scholars of medicine say today it is the best of substances people can consume, because it contains a lot of chemical components that would lower your cholesterol levels, and it has many advantages for your neuro connections. So it would calm you down, it would relieve you from your depression and introduce some form of happiness. No, it's not roofies and drugs, but it's halal. It's something that the Prophet ﷺ used to advise taking, and Allah knows best.